Welcome back with another video on TryHackMe.com. This is the Hinezi and we are doing DAST. Is DAST tool replacement for SAT or SCA? Never. It is nay. Awesome. What is the process of mapping an application surface parameter using usually called? Is I think what we are looking for. Yep. The DAST check the code of an application? But no, never. They don't have access to the code itself, right? Zap can run AJAX spider by using browser without a graphical user interface. What are these browsers called? Headless. Okay. Analyzing the Sites tab. What HTML parameters can be passed to login.php using the post method in alphabetical order and separated by comma? Pass user. Awesome. What other .php resources besides the nospiders-gallery.php was found by the AJAX spider but not by the view.php? I think so. And I will see you in the next video.